What makes this frame so special? I'm glad you asked. Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette, a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. And what makes this frame so special? It's the frame inside of a frame style with the shiplap design. You're going to find that you just can't find these pieces anymore. They're vintage, they are difficult to find, and when you do find them, they're few and far between. Now this piece is a salvage rescue. It has that vintage, cozy, warm, rustic check style that you find with the French country designs or the farmhouse checks, but trimmed out with the vintage gold. It's also going to blend nicely with your courtly check if you want to use it for that as well. You're going to find that you can use this print that's in the piece or put your own photo inside of it. It does have the shiplap effect with the satin black ribbon vertically along the front and a faux floral along the side that you can pose this piece either horizontally or vertically. It has the original kickstand back, which is in great condition. If this is the piece for you, you want to grab it, the link is in the video description below. And if you want to see more new items available, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all for this one. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.